everybody, if you bring you want me, really wanna get low, it ain't no lie. Really wanna get low, really wanna get low. So won't you say my name, say my name. If you bring you want me, it ain't no whip.
What is up? Okay, so you guys probably already saw me again. I'm doing this intro one more time just so it's all clear. This video is me showing you guys how I cut my wig to look like this. It was inspired by and Ari. I'll put like a little insert or whatever. I did this because I ripped the lace in this wig, and because on the hairline I'm very limited on what I could do. I went ahead and filmed a video on how I normally would fix a ripped lace, but again, because it's on the hairline, I'm not about to wear it like that. So I went ahead and decided to do this little bangs look because I thought it was really cute that Ari and Tay did. I think it's cute for a photo, but I probably wouldn't wear this out, but I don't know. This is very different for me, but something similar with one of your wigs and you tore it because you're a dumbass like me. This is an option instead of throwing away your lace and, you know, buying new hair. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up so I know, because I don't really be knowing what you guys want to see. I just be doing random stuff. So give me a comment what you guys want to see. If you do like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter is all at Gabbi Dabney, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.
My world stops spinning. I lost it all, I don't know how I'm still winning. It's like that, so I really let you know it's just you and me.
Alright y'all, this is not going to be a talk through video. I figured it's pretty self-explanatory, so I was just going to do a collaboration of videos of me doing the bangs and play some music for you guys. So real quick, I'm showing you guys up close of where I fixed the lace, and this is why I decided to cut some bangs.
TV, sunset shit don't change. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I wouldn't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changed it, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. Congratulations.
like it, like it, like it, like it, like it, like it.